You're correct one.
Na monye na ye ama enkomra yu na ya so ato aso ama atmenka ama otmenka me mo akwa ba
me songa kwa me joso
Supreme Court asem Supreme Court asem be ya na ya kamna koti mefa
Supreme Court sending na NDC amanyuku. Obekai say ene Ablekuma asat now Ablekuma North MP ene gina ho oba peni PSC ena ababa wa ye friend oben no omumi bi na asat now okupie mu Ablekuma North kwa oni gina ho tanso na okotema central na ntine wanti kakra ho oba okan free central ye mplesia so asisi enjere to ni abebo ye sesien ya Patrick ya boama ena baba Sade Ntine wants kakra ewo mu say ya so ebenifu bikura in na ewo high court high court as a month worker say constituency ma o ma ko na say ni bi wo wa ye kan ko du be ya yan kan yan wi nti da dia na edu yan kan wi bia yan kan ni aka na yan fa enso eno ne ma electoral commission kwan say omo nkokwan be bia aka ni na nkaka nfa enso nti na Okay, Great Central. I can't number think I can't wait to kind of social. Ablekuma North again and that first one. Now I had 63 centers. Not a chiman count, not Chema, and so account. Then no NDC you going to say Debbie. Where the NTS and NTS, you didn't go my didn't, and then I can count and go kind of and found social. And no longer just a little Supreme Court. None of the Supreme Court, no. Supreme Court, Maconia, to be on filing in Kata. And no, and almost filing Kata, my electoral commission, I don't respond to buy it. Now, there was you almost filing the beer to see and neck. The quarter, almost the quarter next day. Quarter the amount of pine. Almost one crash idea. The year, I used to show the mouth will be 2020. I thank Kata and I told my soccer. It's a lawyer for no. I said now about other records court in the mount child. And the electoral commission lawyer, I just now my people, and starting. Oh, down, we shouldn't be now between Yania. No to make a gender about court to say, who best record to get all my time. And Rana so actually said 7 days to plan and case over. Now so the one for now, the Jim say, Baby, Ajubro, I am Rana, Nina, the day into a mouth, and this. I mean, you put 7 days today. Among fancy, you see, yes, then a factor. In the same action, only a file on Gatan within 7 days in the past. So I'm usually 7 days end of the amount, said, also answer and meaning that. The local say, court now money, yeah, which I say, wait 7 days, almost filing years there. I say, get the sign up. Now, for you, you're no lawyer, said, Yava.
This is statement of case. They made reference to a letter that was written by the EC to the Minority Caucus in 2020 in relation to the Techiman South parliamentary election issues in 2020. But that letter is not before the court. So it's part of the reasons why we want to attach that letter to our supplementary affidavit in response to the EC's affidavit in opposition to our application. And then in the EC statement of case, they've also raised some fundamental legal issues which we deem it necessary to respond to by way of writing in terms of a reply to their statement of case. Ordinarily, we should have done that within 7 days, but we could not do so. That's why we came before the court for an order to extend that period to nevertheless file the reply.
The EC lawyer made a point that you weren't sleeping for 2 hours. Were you really sleeping?
Oh no, we're not sleeping. We're We're having challenge in terms of serving the second to safe interested parties. So that clearly affected us in terms of keeping the time in check.
So what are these process mean to the substantive?
It has something in terms of factual and legal matters.
So after that, is it set?
Yes, after that, yes, unless something else happens. With legal issues, you can't tell what is in store.
All right, okay.
Enti ama bra kwan performa ne bo ene lawyer for no mo etwetwe nkomo na matie no na ya John Cry papa mu oboni mu sum Facebook for eno no na we Emmanuel Edu osofa that lady she looks good and nice every day enti wonti just say bra so far how is the vice president doing Professor Nana Jempukra Jiman na ubusana sem no ne hoye in fact the na motete ehunu social media so no ma me no otiase no obeche so pa ati se hunu a otiase
anko ne hunufo why na ya no hunu se asuma
ma penya be de akire otiase den enti mummo de motete ni na tungu ne hoye pa Francis
ana otiase ne hankofo
be fi wo mo a na ya ayin so aba Ricardo wanya solution baako wo mu di nsamane de ye no aban momodana no frɛ allergyfo mu Ghana nyina yɛntu mu nyina ne yɛhwehwɛ ɛyɛ dan yɛbɛhunu allergy kura wo go do na ko din ho ne sa ECG fo ne ma no ne American dollars egu containers mu nyina no yɛnche all allergies in the country
woni pakro na ka sa no woni allergy fo dodo
Ricardo no nsusu
sa no yɛbɛche allergy sikafo ana sɛ allergy hiafo
obia
wafa woyɛ sa de wo so ya wo munya abotre allergy ya wa allergy ne ya wa allergy
what
every allergy is allergy
ne nsusu ya no wo se ya nsu ha de
wo na kyɛ sɛ wo bɛfrɛ ya the allergy ya wote ma kyire ho ya wo no wote kiosk mu
ya frɛ gina ya frɛ na papa ya nkɔ ya ne mu na mu de di mu kyira
ya allergy munyi mu
yo na JDM na Burton you know levy no that didn't levy no what ye free ho what your campaign no last year na beto abare campaign so oba obe ye free ho and what ye free ho ye na Ghana for BS JDM so hwehwe ni mu papa enti betting tax no ye levy kakra ukoyi free ho na aswa camera abesi so na ministers mehwe ni obi a me boyensem ana ena no pay owura adiko ka chairman adiko ka ya ka no ye NDC amanyeko no enkramantem ha titire ni no chese de no manfo ke kansa no NPP fo ade so no beso Ghana fo na sinyame ya dom na jeje mampani wa hyebo ni wa diso a mombo ha pa ne sen wa twe camera siso wa twe siso wa pekwa wa san betwe susu bio o mampani ya de papa one Sadiq Adam sports Obama and pay engine money show so and we chire munyi
cake ayen with green. Oh, they were celebrating, which means Ghanaians asama Ghana for kind they were not interested. Abembi Abba no say no, we want to put more money in the hands of our people and we can achieve the same purpose because who put it money in the hands of Ghanaians, their expenditure will go up.
Yeah.
And when their expenditure goes up, what do they do? If they go to restaurant to eat, they'll be taxed.
Yeah.
If they go to the shop to buy something, they'll be taxed.
Okay.
Everywhere they're going to spend, because there's something called VAT, which will enable them to pay for
exactly
the services and goods and services. Until by a stroke of a pen, when more expenditure, people are spending more, the government is able to rake in more money.
Yeah.
So these are the economic benefits of policy. When you are doing policy, you should make sure that the people are going to benefit from the policy. But you could see, say, 11, a lot of Ghanaians refused to participate in it. For instance, it took me a long time to really go and register for levy. for Momo.
Momo.
Because people, you know, the kind of business we are in.
Yeah.
And then you just can't be carrying small amount of money to be going around. So one was forced to use the system. But anytime you do that, you realize that a certain percentage of your money is gone.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's the right thing. Ghanaians are happy. So far, this morning I tried to see whether the system, 5 minutes past midnight,
mm-hmm.
I tried to check whether the system was going to work. So I did that, and then it got to a state that it's a zero tax or something of that sort. But I think they are charging